In this video, I would like to show you how to delete double notes in Cubase that have been played on the same note. For example, here in this pattern that I played, you can hear that there are some notes much louder than others. I'm gonna solo this. For example, here, yeah, as you can see, I can drag this note down. There's another one. And this makes it louder because Cubase interprets this as double velocity here. And the same, I think, with this one. Yeah, also double note here. But there's an easy way to fix this. You just select the part that you played with the double notes. Then you go to Midi, Functions, and delete doubles. And now all should be good. And there should be no double notes on the same key anymore.